What's up guys, it's Daniel here and you are welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn about two crypto cards that a lot of people simply don't know they exist. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to review the location of those cards on this very airdrop, which is CEX.io Power Tap airdrop, and how to get them. Okay, it's very easy and straightforward. So follow me carefully and don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss out on the important information I'm going to be sharing with you in this very video. Okay, once you open your CEX.io Power Tap app, first thing you have to do is to come over to the mine section right here. Just click on that right now. And once you do, you want to go over to the special section. Okay, so once you go to the special section right here, you want to scroll down to the very bottom. Now, the first card here is the Crypto 4 card, right? Now, a lot of people will say that the special section won't reward you. Okay, these are cards you buy without any reward. Now, this is quite true, but a lot of people do not actually know that there are cards here you could actually get or profit from, and these cards right here would reward you with more profit than any you have ever bought right here. Okay, but before you be able to buy these cards, you have to unlock some of these characters right here, and after unlocking some of them, the final you need to unlock is the private jet right here for you to get these Crypto 4 codes. Now let me click on this right now. If you look closely right here, you'll see that you would get 1 million CEXP token right here and 1.67 crypto balance. Now this is massive. If you've been upgrading your CEX mining cards, you would notice that this is very rare to get. You have to spend millions of tokens to get this, but you're going to be getting this for 50 million CEXP coins, and this is quite easy. Now the task you need to complete for you to get this is to upgrade the private jet card to at least level 1. For those of us who have done hamster combat, I'm sure you'll be familiar with this, but please move away hamster combat from this. Do not use that mentality to get into this. This is totally different. This is an exchange airdrop, which is CEX.io exchange. If you haven't joined this, I would advise you to rush this right now. The link will be in the description. Do not sleep over this because this is a promising project which you shouldn't fade for anything. Okay, get into this right now while it's still available. Okay, so the next thing you have to do right now is to upgrade this private jet, just like I told you before. So we're going to click on this private jet card right here, and to upgrade this right now to at least level 1, which is this, you can see right here they said next level 1, you need to upgrade with at least 5 million coins. If you have been mining the CS for a while now, you'll be able to upgrade this to at least 5 million coins. I'm going to click on this right now, and this is now open. You can see upgrade success, and the Crypto 4 code is now open, and we'll be needing 50 million tokens to upgrade this. Okay, this tutorial is mostly for people who have upgraded their cards a long time ago. Upgrading is really easy. Just like I upgraded this right now, you can follow the same method to upgrade other cards, right? And you upgrade with your coins, okay, your CSP coins, and not the crypto balance. Okay, I'm going to show you how to convert the crypto balance to coins so you can use it to upgrade your cards after I have done this, right? So what you have to do right now is to click on upgrade right here, right? And this would give us this very reward, which is 1 million CSP and 1.67 crypto per hour. Before I do this upgrade, I want to scroll to the top right now to show you my mining per hour. You can see my mining per hour right here and my crypto balance right here to be 2.448, right? Okay, so per hour I'm going to get this, but I currently have 2.448 crypto balance. Please take note, there are two sections right here, which is the unique and the crypto cut section, and we are still dealing with one card. I'm going to show you the next card we are going to be dealing with. So let's scroll down right now and move to the Crypto 4 code, which is this. Okay, so let's click on Crypto 4 code right now. Now the moment you click on it, we're going to upgrade this with 50 million CSP coins. I'm going to click on upgrade right now, and this is loading up. Okay, let's wait for this to upgrade. Okay, so this is kind of a reward for people who were able to participate in buying the cards in the special section. You can see right here it said upgrade success, right? So we're going to head over to the top right now, and you can see my mining per hour has now increased to 18 mining per hour, and I now have about 2.9 crypto balance, right? So this is a significant increase. Now, a lot of people do not know this. We're going to move to the second section right here under the specials, right? And this section is called the crypto cult section. So if I click on crypto cult right now, this is going to bring us to this very section, and this is the Genesis block collectible. This is on that card that if you upgrade, you'll be able to increase your mining per hour. So I'm going to click on Genesis block collectible right now, and we are being told that for you to be able to upgrade this, you have to upgrade Satoshi collectible to at least level 1. You can see right here we only get 0.833 crypto per hour, and that is because this is not as rewarding as the first, but still it's still very high compared to what other cards will reward you with. And we would also get 500,000 CEXP. So what we're going to do right now is to look for the Satoshi collectible, which is this right here, and upgrade that. So which is Satoshi collectible? We have to scroll down right now to look for that, and if you scroll down and you don't see it, then you know it's in the other section, but it's actually here, right? This is the Satoshi collectible and it is actually locked. If I click on Satoshi collectible right now, we're being told that we need to upgrade the crypto maximalist collectible before we'll be able to upgrade this Satoshi collectible. So this is the crypto maximalist collectible. We have to unlock this first before we'll be able to unlock this. That would enable us unlock the one at the top. So it's kind of a triangle, all right? You have to unlock one to be able to unlock the other. So let's go ahead and unlock this right now. Okay, so let's click on crypto maximalist collectible. So to upgrade this, I noticed that you have to upgrade the Web3 collectible. So it's more like you have to upgrade or unlock other cards right here before you be able to unlock the crypto maximalist collectible. So I just did this right now. I wasn't able to show you that, but I just clicked this, which is the Web3 collectible, and upgraded it. And right now the crypto maximalist collectible is open, and I'm going to click on this right now and upgrade this with 10 million coins, right? And right now the Satoshi right here is open. I'm going to click on it right now and upgrade with 25 million coins, and let's scroll to the top right now and you will get to see that this is now open, right? The Genesis block collectible is now open, and we can now upgrade this with 100 million coins. So how do we upgrade this right now? We just have to click on this right here and click on upgrade. So this is going to deduct 100 million coins from our balance, and we have successfully upgraded this. Okay, so this is it. We are done upgrading all the cards in the CEX Airdrop, and we are now successfully mining at full speed. Okay, whichever reward you get again would come from the referral. You can actually be able to invite your friends using your referral link from the squad section. Okay, you can just click on this and click on this very invite friends button right here. Once you click on it, this would enable you invite your friends. Like I said before, the crypto balance is different from the coins, and if you want to get more information on that, you can just come over here and click on this I button right here. If you click on this would reveal to you how each of these works, okay, from the coins to the mining power to the crypto. Another thing you need to know is that the crypto right here can be converted to the coins, and the coins can also be converted to the crypto. Now, how do you do that? If you have been able to mine a couple of crypto right here, okay, if they have accumulated, you can come to the convert section. Before we go to the convert section, I also want you to know that you have to log in every 3 to 4 hours for you to be able to claim the coins you have accumulated, because if you don't log in, mining stops. You don't get anything again. So you just have to log in constantly every 4 hours to be able to claim that, right? This is simply how this works. So if you have gotten this, you can come over here and convert it to this. Okay, let me show you how that works real quick. So just click on convert right now, and you can see right here I have just 4 crypto balance right here. Now if I click on this right here, let's click on that, you see that this has appeared, and if I am to convert it right now, I'll be getting an extra 500,000 coins, right? You can see right here my total balance is 770 coins, and if I click on convert right here, this would add an extra 500,000 coins to my balance. So let me click on convert right now and then click on confirm. and go to the home screen. You can see this has been added. Real simple. If I don't want to, I want to convert them back, I just click on convert again, and I'll just go ahead and click on switch right here. This button right here toggles them, and if I click on this would show you the total crypto balance I get when I decide to convert this to my coins to my crypto balance, right? So this is basically how this works. Okay, it's not rocket science, but I've decided that I'll pass this information to you. After that, if you are just joining for the first time, whether you're a beginner or you are already an old miner, what you have to do is come over to the airdrop section and make sure that you register for the airdrop through the Bexecy platform. I've already created a video for that, and I'm going to leave that in the description of this very video. Make sure you do that, because this is what would count and would also help during the KYC verification process. Okay, so make sure you participate fully in this airdrop. Another beautiful thing about this is that this airdrop has a ranking system, which is something that kind of encourages you to push more. I almost reached the Vibranium miner right now, but I decided to do this so that you see for yourself. A lot of people have over 10 billion, some have 100 billion and stuff like that, but that's not it. The most important thing is that you understand how this project works and how to go about it. Okay, so this is the goal I wanted to achieve in this video: how this project works and how to go about this, so you do not find it hard participating in this very project. If you find the information I shared in this video helpful, do go to leave a like and share, so that a lot of people who need this very information can be able to access it easily. If you don't want to miss out on information like this, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on to all for updates on the KYC process when it arrives. If you have any question, leave them in the comments and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.